Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a big giant thumbs up, please. That would mean a lot to me. So today's video will be a FABFITFUN unboxing. Here's my box. FABFITFUN is a subscription company where you pay $49.99 for 4 seasons, one for summer, one for winter, one for fall, and one for spring. So this is my spring box. This is my first box, and I think I signed up last month, and then they just sent me my spring box yesterday. So they sent you 4 box for a year, 4 box for a year, and then in the box you can find 8 to 9 full-size product in the box for like a cheap price. So I only paid $39.99 for the first season because I had a YouTuber's discount code, so I used it and I saved $10. So if you wanna sign up, before you sign up, watch some YouTube video about FABFITFUN, and you'll find some discount code you can use. You will pay only $39.99 for the first season, and then after that they'll charge you $49.99 for the rest of the 3 seasons. So this is my spring box, and I'm gonna unboxing it for you guys to see what I get. So the first thing in the box is a HelloFresh coupon. I'm not gonna use it because I live all the way in Japan and it's not gonna be easy for me to use it. If you want it, you can leave a comment down below, and then I'll just send you the code that's in it. Maybe you can use it, I don't know how that works, because I never use HelloFresh. And it's for 9 free meals. So if you want it, leave me a comment and I'll send you the code. You can use it. And then here is the magazine of, you know, everything that you can expect to get in the box. Yeah, you got everything that you, and then the good thing about it, you can even customize your box and choose like whatever you want to get in your box for the month. So they give you that option too, in case if you want to do that. Yeah, so this is the magazine of everything they have in it. So the first thing I see in the box is the umbrella, and then let me tell you, the umbrella is the cutest thing ever, man. And I really needed the umbrella. I like the design of it, you know, it's like so springy. I really needed an umbrella because I didn't have any. It's super cute. Wow. Yeah, so the first thing in the box is an umbrella, and I love it so much. I really need one, so thank you, FABFITFUN. And the next thing that I have in the box, oh, let me tell you the price. The umbrella was $40. So the umbrella was $40. Only the umbrella is covered like the whole box, because I only paid $39.99. So the umbrella covered the whole box. So $40 for that little umbrella. And the next thing that I get on the box is a it's a plain hibiscus plain-based body scrub. It's a body scrub. Wow, it smells so good. Look at this. And I really needed this because my skin is very dry, so I know I will use this in the bathtub a lot. Especially it smells so good. And next we have a body oil. Body oil that look like this. Let me see if I can take the wrapper off. Oh, the body scrub. I always forget to give you the price, guys. So the body scrub was for $35. And the body oil is for $68. What? It smells good. So yeah, the body oil is for $68. So I know I will use this because like I told you guys, I have dry skin. My skin is very dry. So I know I will use it a lot. But for $68, it better make my skin look like so smooth. It better do. Because for $68 for this little bottle of oil, wow. And then the next thing is a deep sleep body cocoon. Cocoon. Yeah, so it's a deep sleep body cocoon. This one was for $40. This was $40. It's a lotion for relaxing les mains et le corps. Oh, it smells very good. And next we have a leave-in conditioner. And this leave-in conditioner was for $24. It's a leave-in conditioner you can use in your hair. Wow, it smells very good. That will make your hair smell super good. And I know everything that I got so far, I know I will use them, especially, you know, the body scrub and the body oil will be good for my skin. This one, I have a special shampoo that I use for my hair because, you know, my scalp is very dry. So I have like a prescription shampoo that I use for my hair. So I don't know if I will use this, maybe or maybe not, but we'll see. And the next one I have here is a watermelon polishing peel. It's a face mask that you use for your face, and it's a watermelon flavor. And this one was for $35. $35 for a little bottle of mask. Smells so good. Just look like this. It smells just like watermelon. And the next thing I have is a night recovery cream oil, and this one was for $59. Yep, this was $59. Like this. Focus, come on, focus. Yeah, you can't put this focus. Now, this will be good for your skincare routine at night. So I know I'll have a lot of use of this. Oh, we almost done. We almost done, you guys. Last but not least is the silicone straws. It's a silicone straw that's in the box. This one, how much was this one? This one was for $15. It's a reusable straw that you can, you know, use on the go. you can put it in your bag, and then you know, just quick get one. And it come a little brush that you can clean the inside, and it also come with this. You can just, you know, just put them on the case like so, and then just drop it in your bag, and it can be clean for you, you know. And you have a silicone straw that you can use, so you can save the environment, not using plastic straws. Like I don't use plastic straw anymore. I use like the metal straws. I have a bunch of this in my drawer, and I always keep one in my bag too. If I'm like out and I've bought a coffee, I can just use it and drink my coffee. But yeah, you guys, so that was everything that I got in my box. Was it worth it? I think so, because I have a bunch of facial product that I can use, and some stuff for my skin. And my favorite thing of all is this umbrella. It's so cute, so pretty. I know I can, you know, it's very small, you can carry it in your bag, you know, it's pretty good. So I think I got it to do of 9 products, 9 full-size products in the box. So yeah, it's pretty good. So that's everything I got in my box. If you wanna get your own box, make sure you watch the YouTube video about me. I don't have a discount code because I don't work with them, so you can watch YouTube video about them, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna get a $10 discount code that you can use. You pay $39 instead of $49 for the first box, and then after that they're just gonna charge you $49.99. And then the good thing about it, this one I didn't pick up the product that I need, but the next one I'm just gonna go on the website and customize my own box and get things that I didn't get on this one, so they don't send me the same exact stuff again. So I'm just gonna customize mine. So yeah, you guys, this is everything I got in the box. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up. You mean a lot to me, and I will see you again in another video. Bye bye.